In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kreditbee coupon code for processing fee. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, just click on show coupon. As you can see, this is a code that you can copy. This is a coupon code for 50% off. There is also other things that you can apply. As you can see, just click on apply. Now the deal is activated. So just enter this site. As you can see right now, I will show you now. Its name is Pesa Waps. So go ahead, enter it, and you will find the codes for yourself. Now, if we go down to find another coupon, so go ahead and copy this as well. Type it, which is check 50, which is a 50% off deal as well. So go ahead, take advantage of all of these codes and this website. And there you have it. This was Kreditbee coupon code for processing fee. As always, thank you for watching.